Hello and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. Hope everyone had a great time. And today will be the first video of the year 2026. So this will be my third year on the platform. Thank you guys to subscribing and liking all my other videos. And today we got a special surprise. Remember those Airpod Air Maxes that everyone talked about, and they're $800 and all that, and everyone thought, ooh, it's shiny and new. Well, guess what? I even found something cheaper. The MX PROMAX headphones. $20 at Giant Tiger. Now we're going to see how this works compared to my babies that I use from Canadian Tire. That's them. Without further ado, let's open this box. Now that we got the saran wrap off, let's see what features it has. It has trans flash card, so secure, micro secure digital card, or maybe regular size secure digital. It has deep bass, and it's Bluetooth connected, and the MX2098 is the Bluetooth name. Can't go wrong with that. We wouldn't say max if we didn't mean it. Comfy to the max, style to the max, and powerful speakers that can push your volume to the max. Every time powerful. Because we don't do bad audio. Stylish, because we know when your music sounds right, you're going to want to look right too. MX PROMAX, seriously evolved sound. Look at that. She looks like she's struggling to put it on, or it's too loud and she has to hold it in front of her head. Wireless version 5.4. Support AD2P, blah, 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 blah. 30 feet, transmitting class 2, frequency range 2.4 to 2.48 gigahertz. So you run a microwave, this thing will go. Trans flash card supported, 128 megabyte to 32 gig. Not bad. 200 milliamp battery, 16-hour playing time, 18 hours of talking time, 1 hour for charging. Not too shabby. And that's it. No, that's it. Okay. Go whoop. Whoop. Ooh. Ooh. Nothing in the box. Okay. Look at these. Pro Bass wireless headphones. And all the same stuff that was on the back. Do not expose to high heat or open flames, water, or high moisture levels. Do not drop or throw headphones. Well, I mean, if your favorite team is losing, you might want to throw them. Do not attempt to disassemble, repair, or modify headphones. Well, it won't stop some people. Do not clean with chemicals. Do not attempt to dispose of by burning. Follow your local guidelines for disposal of electronic products. So, in other words, it's landfill. Any type of Bluetooth-enabled devices, phones, computers, tablets, and TVs. Built-in microphone with noise reduction allows for hands-free calling. Connect your non-Bluetooth devices via the supplied aux cable for high-quality sound. That's good. So they're just like my other headphones with the aux cable in it. Ooh. Low latency for gaming. Voice assistance. With Bluetooth, you can activate your voice assistant from any smart device. Voice prompts for incoming. When receiving an incoming, the voice prompt will read out the phone number of the caller. Oh, that's nice. Rechargeable battery built in. When the battery is low, the voice prompt will announce the user to charge the headphones. When fully charged, the headphones will automatically cut power off, preventing the battery from being damaged. Well, let's not forget what happened in my other video. MP3 playing. Play music from a trans flash card. Power on and off. Long press the power button for 3 seconds. That's nothing new. Double press multifunctional knob. Triple press multifunctional knob. Answer call, hang up, press the power button. Decline call, long press power button for 2 seconds. Well, you got a scammer calling, you know what to do. Redial, double press power button. Mode switching, press power button. Siri on, wow. Press power button 3 times. Game mode, music mode, click power button 4 times. The wireless capabilities will turn off automatically from aux mode. Insert the Type-C. Whoa, we're living in the future. The headphones will announce low battery. Please recharge at this time. If not connected to wireless mode, the headphones will turn off automatically after 5 minutes. If the headphones suddenly crash, press and hold the power button for 8 seconds to reboot the headphones back to normal. Can't slap it then. And oh, that's it. Okay. Well, we've done that. Look at these nice meshy headphones. Dankpods might love that. Ooh. Ooh. Look at these cushions. I don't even think it told me where the buttons were. That's what I was looking for. I couldn't find anything. Nope, doesn't tell me anything. That's your power, that's your knob, that's your USB-C, that's your trans flash, and that's your aux cable. Which, it's gonna say, I didn't see it. There's your USB-C cable. There is our aux cable. And we'll keep these. And yes, they are white. They are off gray. They're a darker white but lighter than gray color. These will get dirty if you have dirty ears. Yeah, you're definitely gonna feel and see that. You can. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, let's see how this works on my head. Ooh. Well, while they're off, I can barely hear myself. Ooh, you heard that. Power on. Power off. Power on. Oh, it's in Bluetooth mode. Okay. So, while we're doing that, we're going to open up my music player. Where are you? Oh, iTunes Music. No. 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 Okay, we're going to do this. Bluetooth MX2098. Ooh, connected. Now doing a comparison. So we're going to go back to the other ones. Oh, okay. Okay, so Bluetooth, this one does sound better than this one. This one sounds more flat. You can still hear most of the instruments as you would if you were listening to these ones. But this one just sounds a bit more flat, but you can hear almost all the same instruments in the song as you normally would. Now, connecting it to a wire. Oh, do I have my adapter here? So we're going to plug it in my adapter. Then we're going to plug it in here. Power off. So now it knows that there's no music from the Bluetooth. Right. I forgot. I don't have the light. Ah. Now I got to find out where I put the USB-C one. Oh, I found it. Now we're going to try this again. Now, this is the one I'm looking for, USB-C. I forgot I had upgraded the Lightning. Okay. Okay, as always, this will activate voice control. This thing seems to be having a stroke. Maybe it's in wrong. No. Stop it. Stop it. Never had that happen before. Mind you, this may be from Dollarama, but it was working before. No. No. Stop it. Never did that before. Well, let me try to restart the phone and see. Oh, there we go. That's disconnected now. Okay, so it's connected to the other one. Now I'm going to try this again. Going back to voice control. I'm going to play this song. No, it pauses. Didn't activate voice control that time. I wonder. I have plenty of aux cables here. Try one of my other aux cables. Well, this time it's not pausing. Really trying to get this to work. Okay, I see. So if you have anything that's thicker than this, it probably won't register properly because of how thick that is. I wonder. Thin wired nonsense. No, all my wires seem to be. Oh, maybe I got a thin one. No, it's a good song. Oh, yeah, there we go. I got something. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas to me. We're going to use this one. All the things I do, and it's all not scripted. No prep work ahead of. Stop that. Stop it. Okay, let's try this again. So, Bluetooth sounds flat, but if you plug it in directly, it actually sounds better. I like it. I wish I had these things 20 years ago when I was listening to my music. These are actually good. They almost sound like my old Panasonic HT21s. Based on testing Bluetooth from Canadian Tire, Blue Bass Blue Hive headphones for $25 on sale or $20 on sale. Bluetooth and auxiliary sound almost exactly the same. Like I have no difference between the two. This one, the Airpod Pretend PROMAXes, Bluetooth is flat, but if you plug it in through auxiliary, it sounds so much better. Like it's just on par with this. Like if you loop Bluetooth, the voice doesn't sound crisp or clear in that, but if auxiliary has a lot of benefits compared to the Bluetooth on this. I don't know if that's because of the 5.4 versus maybe 5.3 this is. What does this say? Doesn't say nothing here. Well, and the box is gone, so wherever the manual disappeared to, it's gone. So the Blue Hive headphones, if you like Bluetooth and wired to sound the same, whether you use it, this is the way to go. I would recommend these headphones if, for example, you're on public transit and you want to use your auxiliary cable as a tether in case if you fall asleep on your bus ride home or bus ride to work. Speaking from experience over here, and you drop your phone, it'll yank your cord or your headphones. This way you know that, oh, I dropped my phone, right? And because the auxiliary can be replaced, you just got to make sure, or drill that just a little bit bigger without getting anything in the jack, and then you can use any size connector that's bigger than that, because this won't fit in correctly. There's your USB-C port, there is your trans flash, and okay, we never did try the knob experience on it. Power on. What does the Bluetooth volume up and down, next song double press? So volume up, volume down, play pause does work, but you cannot go back on that. Now let's try mode switching. Okay, redial. Okay, so that's what I did. Mode switching. So maybe if I disconnect Bluetooth. Oh, I went power off. I guess because there's no card in here. Power button would work if you had a trans flash card in there. I think I got one. 4 GB one, but it doesn't say how to. Okay, let's try the copying section. And it does not say which way to put it in because, again, there's no manual. So this is playing on the trans flash card. And it doesn't matter if what folder they're in, what folder names they're in. It doesn't matter if the folder says audio as your root. It'll just find MP3s and just start playing it just like that. And the trans flash card plays the songs in order. Double pressing still skips the songs just like before. So not bad for a minimalist system. Auxiliary and trans flash, and if it can go up to 32 gigabytes like it says, that's a lot of music. If each song was a megabyte, 32,000 songs. But the songs won't be 1 megabyte, they'll be probably 4 megabytes or whatever, so you can get at least a good couple thousand songs on it. There's my review of the headphones. Great if they're wired or direct connect with the trans flash cards. Bluetooth, This one doesn't have trans flash, but Bluetooth and wired both sound the same. So one, the battery dies, you hook up your wire, no problem. And you can use any fatty type cable and plug it in, and it's not going to make a difference, as opposed to this one where it just kind of chokes on it literally because it's too big. So if you find yourself a thin barrel, you're good to go. Otherwise, Or they're 25 at Giant Tiger on sale for 20. Probably clearance because nobody bought them. These ones, Canadian Tire always has these. Beautiful headphones. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a good night. See you in the next video. And yes, these are what they look like at the Apple Store. On Amazon, Apple Airpod PROMAX. It doesn't have a smart case, but they do have these little thingies, and they have the same style. Look at that. It even has that same button thing. Exactly the same. Same type of cushion, except the inside, you can see the more meshy look. No, these ones don't have noise cancellation either. Oh, I was using these wrong. I had my left on my right and my right on my left. Let's try that again. Okay, well, not so bad. Okay, that's it for that.